All right, this is P5, Camouflage and Visual Signaling Techniques. Sergeant Avery here will be acting as a candidate. Your task condition standard task is subtly employ realistic camouflage that resembles the background to your skin, uniform, weapon, and equipment. Demonstrate visual signaling techniques. You are a member of a team preparing to establish an ambush position in a non-CBRN environment. You are in the patrol base preparing to move to the objective rally point. Enemy presence is suspected. Your standard is to correctly apply camouflage within 10 minutes or less. Correctly demonstrate each of the 15 signaling techniques within 10 seconds of receiving the prompt. Do you have any questions at this time?
There you do.
All right, you may begin. For face paint, on any of the high areas, you'll use a dark color. And then on the low areas, you'll use a light color. And then on the back of the neck, the back of the ears, you'll use a mix of light and dark, and making sure to mix it in to ensure you have an irregular pattern. We're looking for a cross, an X made on the top of the helmet. You can tie it to a band. If you have a camo band, you can tuck it here, 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 here to secure it. All that matters is that you have an X on top of your helmet and it's secured in some type of way. Your base plate will be taped to ensure that there's no shine off your base plate. Your rifle, tie down in 3 points: front of the buttstock, front of the optic, and on the front sight post, ensuring that the burlap does not interfere with line of sight through the optic. Your BFA will be taped to not show any orange or yellow. Then, as you can see on his flick, we're looking for 2 up by the shoulder and 2 over by the bottom of the rib cage. Do not wear a watch to this lane, as if your watch is visible, that is a shiny object, you will be a no-go. Make sure all your buttons are buttoned and that nothing can rattle or shine. You want them to... All right, now we'll go over the visual signaling techniques. All right, you ready? Yep. All right, disperse. Do it slow. Yeah. There we go. So he's gonna have his palm down, arm horizontal. He'll start at his chest. He'll swing at the elbow and extend all the way around. Then we'll do assemble. Raise your arm vertically overhead, palm front, waving a large circle, and then point down. All right, next we'll do join me, point, palm up, bring it towards himself. Good. All right, now we'll do double time, raise his fist to the shoulder, and throw it up in the air. All right, next will be enemy in sight. Pick his rifle up, point it towards the enemy location. Next, we'll do wedge. Extend his arms downward, palms front, 45 degree. Next, we'll do staggered column. He'll take both arms up and he'll point them up in the air. The other one we can also accept and we're looking for is with your non-firing hand. Spacing, there we go. All right, we'll do contact left, palm up, good. Air attack, palms forward, good. NBC attack, good. Map check, one hand palm up, the other one pointing down. Pace count, tap back of the boot, non-firing hand. Head count, non-firing hand, tap the back of the helmet. Danger area, non-firing hand. And then freeze or halt, make a fist, non-firing hand. That's all the signaling techniques.
Is that a go?
Yep, that's a go.